We are from Colegio Universe. Our names are Agustin, Lola, Sofia, and Marcos. We are going to tell you about a story called Blizzard, written by Thomas King's Trooper.
A boy called Jeff, the father, two friends of the father, and Jeff's friend went fishing in the ice. They went in one shack, Jeff and his friend, and in another, Jeff's father and two friends of the father.
They found the radio, and then Jeff first went inside to look for some batteries. Then the lights cut off, and they went outside to look for some batteries for the generator. But they only found 11. Then they started walking because they want to find Jeff's father's shack, but they got lost.
They continued walking and the ice got broken. Chef's friends fell in the water. I recommend you this book and we like it so much.
Bye bye!